Hello and welcome. I'm Steve Schmidt, and I'm with LEAF, Wisconsin's K-12 Forestry Education Program. We're part of the Wisconsin Center for Environmental Education at the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point. I'm here today to demonstrate a model which compares the runoff rate of an impervious with a pervious surface. The simple experiment can be used with young elementary students through adults. Following the demonstration, you can stick around to find out how to build your own model or classroom set. Here we go. The experiment is easiest with 2 or 3 people. Run the experiment with only as much instruction as needed so the students can simply perform the experiment. The discussion afterwards is when the students will learn terms, but will then have the context to help them remember. We'll start with 2 equal amounts of water, about 100 milliliters in each cup. Run each experiment starting with the sand. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. One reason this experiment works so well with younger students is that the delay and runoff time for the sand is almost always a good 5 to 10 seconds longer than plaster. This is why the sand should be tested first with younger students. It gives them the time to make mistakes as they work out their parts in the experiment. Once the experiment is completed, clean up the wet sand by dumping into a bin so that it can air dry and be reused in the future. Do not pour sand into the sink as it could contribute to clogged drains.